sitting outside. But first of all, late night last night, went to sleep, slept for 10 hours, but it was lovely, it was really warm, and I just really enjoyed the sleep, and it's what hot, really warm Tuesday, Wednesday next to me, and my nine next to me like that, which is really nice. And then what happened was 2 hours later, night arrives, so she would just tell, she come and chat with me. And then 2 hours later, this night arrived, so we left to all feet shopping, and then I had about 45 minutes left, so we went to Halfway. And then I probably joined up a shop, and now I'm at home, and I'm going to Horseshoe Hall. Just before I take over for work, we're going to take for work before it's even taught her, and then on that, and we're going to clean the flat, and then we can finally relax. I know it's late in the day, and I know this is not it, and this is why I get up 1 year and stuff, and so if I get up just what time today, with what's more already before, I had it at home, so not a plan, but it is what it is. So we're gonna start at Horseshoe Hall, but first I'm gonna sing for Holt, start to get ready for what's what. Pizza, ice cream, light bulbs, crisps, cereal, milk, coffee made, more ice cream, milk, more puppy pies, new toys for all, more IV. And that's pretty much it. There's all football's what now. It's watching, right turn sides I have lost the more non-shot, so I want my new one. There's the ball, just taking it up off out the park now, and it's dark, and even the seat ball in the hammer, so no one touches. See, it's dark, I even seat ball now. It's all black. I hate these dark evenings. At home, and put the evening lights on, that one. And this one, I just got a new plug for that. I tried a new plug, but that one does not turn on for some reason. But this one is still not wet in here. So listen. Oh, it's making so much noise. Can you hear that? It's really buzzing noise. And it's weird. Oh. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it dinner. Service about to pop up any minute now to help clean. We're gonna send it back. So this is the last time that we'll be seeing the bed. So inside this, I know it's maze and not maze, but whatever. So this is might be the last time if in his I decided to move it back this way. There's not someone at the door. I don't know. So let's come on, help us this way hopefully. So yeah, this is the last time. But hey, bye bye. You're not seeing the toys. to see if our music is all the way nervous, but so I put all of his dinner in here so that he has what access to get his dinner. And it was also then he got enough what that was in the proper what and that was in give him the make them at the time. So this will what his mind switch will it was tell him out, so it's another way to if you don't manage proper what. So giving him this and it doesn't know what to do, but it's just not that to play with his toys, so I think we'll have to show him how it works. Right, the fence here, then here. 1 oh. Oh. Leave that toy, leave that toy. Oh. Oh, top the toy. In here. I'm here. Come on. Oh, here. Sorry. Oh, I'm here. Look. Come on, push it up me. Boy. Come on. Yes, boy. This isn't an idea. Yes, boy. It's yes, it boy, it boy. Wait, try it in. No, won't try it in here. Won't try it in. 1 oh. Come on. Oh. Did you turn or not? Oh. This is him and a Leo, and his bed is filthy now. Oh, I'm here. Did you turn off? Oh. Oh. Did you turn off? Oh. I'll set that for you. Where's here? What's off at the other now? Oh, where's here? Yeah. Come on. Oh. No. No. This way here. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Oh. Here. Một ô múa gì à? Ô múa gì à? Ô một ô ô here place more một ô place ô here một ô here một ô ô place one ô over here 1 Oh, fight with the beds. I'm on to fight more feet. I'm on, oh. I'm on. I'm on, oh. I'm on, oh, here. I'm more here. Come on, oh. Come on. Come on, oh. Oh, and it was a person for you. Oh, it's not lots of it over there. All that. Wow. Oh, up at there. Come on. Yeah. Oh, that fit over there. No. Oh, that. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, come here. Oh, that fit there. Come on. No. Oh, that fit over there. Yes, come on then. Just more. Come on, someone's bed. Here, come on. More here. Come on, Star's been flat is clean and bed has been changed. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? You've seen it before, man. Are you ready? Ooh, we just want to show you look at this. This is really nice. I like it this way. I think I've not had it this way for a long time. So it feels super to have it this way. What was one? Oh, what's one? So yeah, I really like it this way, and I really sipping it tonight. It is sensitive, as you can see. Windy and both didn't have a reaction, so I didn't get that on camera. But hello, see this horse so slow up and that hop. Well, I mean he has that hop, but yeah, it's the same. It's the same. Oh, that's what my flat is like. So small that you pass it on to one, so you have to back hop and I'll see the whole. Anyway, for dinner, I've been reading and I'm having pintos. One of my friends, I'm not going to say who, but one of my friends has had pintos for dinner once. So I'm like, I went to try that one time. I had pintos for dinner once, and it is too late to anything. I did not have any ready meals, so all the food that I do have is it hits on the hob or in the oven. And I really have time for that since it's hot, so I'm gonna have some pintos and it's a bit nasty. So that's my dinner for today. It's not healthy, I know that. Hopefully, well, I mean, no, what am I saying hopefully for? I know in the future I'll make it unhealthy, especially for the elephants. So probably make it in some healthy meals, so I'll make it in unhealthy meals other days. Maybe to in time to I'll hit some meals and sort hit some meals, sort it times and I don't know. Anyway, I'll sort that out when we get elephants. Yes, I'm simple. It's funny how I know one of my flats in a few years' time, I mean, a month's time, I know one of the titles of his flats will say my editing, my mystery woman or something like that, and then the other flats also what the title I find it to be funny if you know what the title is going to be for the next video the day after. Like for example, say I know what the title is going to be for tomorrow's vlog. But then for this vlog, I was set up that title for this vlog, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna eat my pintos, got some Netflix maybe, and drink my own brew, and eat my vlog. It's basically nice, and I've just finished watching 2 series of Face and Fantasy. Pardon me, a few weeks ago I started watching Alex and Katie, but then a couple of days ago wanted to watch something short and wasn't in the mood for Alex and Katie, so I watched Face and Fantasy. And now that I've got 2 movies I'm watching, deciding I'm just gonna finish Ace and Fantasy, and then I'm gonna finish Alex and Katie. So, is that her name? Alison Alexa, actually. Not Alexa, so Alex and Katie. And, so it's been finishing that, and I have, I have so many movies in my list to watch. I have 85 movies in my list. That's a lot. And I want to watch House in season 12 has not come out yet. If it's like how much it starts of last month's salary. So I mean this was disappointed in that once I've finished all the other movies I'm going to go and watch House in. I'm watching now, but I've got other movies I want to watch. I want to watch Heartland, so I don't want to watch it and watch the other ones I've not watched now. Watch Heartland, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I've just finished editing one of the vlogs, so that is exciting and fun. It's up for you guys. I think it positive. So week today, so next Sunday will be 1 month since I have seen my best friend. I'm really missing her. I'm also missing my favourite staff, but so I'm really excited to see her for that Tuesday, which will be in 4 days' time. I'm gonna go to a Death Hop Pops then. That's on, and it's on, there's another one going on in 4 days' time, and it's just on to that. So I'm really excited to see her there. That's 4 days, so not under a couple of days just before it'll be 1 month. That day I'm seeing her with you. I'm watching the anniversary of being best friends, so very excited to see her. I've got something for her, but I don't know if I was to her. I'll show you. So up here there's 2 parts. There's 2 parts to it. There's one for me and one for her. So it says NetHS, and it says, you see the writing here. You thought his. So for his in. Hello. For his. So for his and so just read it out to you guys. That is if I can see it in this light. So when I got this backlight here. So it says, let's turn it on, but it says, thank you for always being there for me. I seriously don't know what I would do without you, love, your bestie. So I got one for me, Julia, and one for my best friends. So I got one here with us unwrapped, and then I've got one up here. This is wrapped, so if that's a hard not to share. I recently gave her birthday present, which was very special. So I don't know if it's wrapped, but she's trying to play with this. Lindsay, stop it, it's not your toy. It's not your toy, Lindsay. Anyway. Lindsay, seriously, stop putting my supper. I'm into stop. Right, anyway, like if it's a hand to show my mate, it meant longer. It said it was make more time. I thought it mean like everyone had so much stuff. My mate, it meant longer. Anyway, I do want to like remember how much she means to me. Is that how you say it? Yeah, so that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm not really saying this to today. Anyways. I'm going to head off to bed now. It's just hit 10 o'clock, so that is my bedtime, and it's like that the 2 series is finished at 10 o'clock, which is what the time we're trying to make my time right. and I'm in talk. It's great that the two series have ended just at 10 o'clock, which is great because 10 o'clock is one time to make time to be. So, I'm going to take more for toilet, then I'm going to head to bed and read my book to get sleepy and fall asleep. So, this is pretty much of the day's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. I will see you in the next daily vlog. Thanks and bye. Bye guys. Sail, that's not sail.